111 is a turnkey project management company specializing in custom homes and low-rise developments in North America's premier city, Toronto, Canada. Toronto has seen explosive growth in the last 20 years, and it's only just beginning. Toronto's vibrance and diversity make it unique, and with hundreds of thousands of people arriving annually, its real estate market is truly dynamic. At 111, we are strategically positioned to help clients build their dream home or grow their real estate portfolio with single or multifamily properties. Our years of experience and relationships with leading architects, designers, engineers, and trades ensures every client's expectations are met. From land acquisition to final construction, our experienced team is ready to start your project.